Hey there, this is Eddie with Multi-Man Services. We just got done doing some gutter cleaning here in the Fontana lake area. So we did gutter cleaning right over the screens. These mesh screens allowed us to power flush right over top, get all the debris off the top of the screens and under them, and flush the downspouts real nicely. So we got all that handled real well on all sides of the gutters. Of course, we made a huge mess with muck and mud everywhere on where all the splatter went, so we walked around the house real nicely and cleaned all that up everywhere. A few of your windows got wet, but it's better than having mud on there. So while I was on your property, it looks like this little addition here has an older dried out roof that is near replacement, if not needing it now. Chimney needs some love, tuck pointing. And then I also noticed that your shingles have this green moss or algae on the shingles, so we can help you with that. We do like a low pressure soft wash cleaning, kills off all that stuff living on your roof, and then you don't have to worry about that ugly stuff eating your roof. It'll prematurely fail your roof. So if you look over here and notice another weird issue, this soil pipe coming out of your roof is missing. So usually I see a PVC pipe coming out of there. And this is also where we would do a lot of our roof cleaning. Get rid of all that moss and stuff there too. So, preserve the life of your roof. Cleaning is just step one. Then we'd like to do like a roof tune-up, seal up any exposed nails, seal up any cracks in the shingles, and make sure that as we're adding life to the roof, that we kind of give it a little bit of love with some roof sealant, some rubber grommet screws, not just cleaning, but a little bit more than that. And then there is a treatment that we can do with an all-natural bio oil. It's made out of soybeans, and we apply that to your shingles. It actually helps your shingles remain flexible, expand and contract, retain their granulars and gravel to help preserve that asphalt. So it is a secondary treatment from Roof Max. We are the certified dealer in the area, and what we'll do is get your roof all spruced up, apply the Roof Max treatment, give you a 5-year warranty and extension of life to your shingles. The back 3-season thing may need to get replaced. That's looking kind of rough, but hey, if it ain't leaking, don't fix it. We'll go ahead and get you a quote for all these services if you'd like. After watching this video, any questions or concerns about our work, please don't hesitate to give me a call. You can reach me on my personal cell, 815-520-6020. And we look forward to working with you and your neighbors. Thank you so much for your referrals, and have a great day. Take care.